Whoopam! I am announcer. And guess what time it is, ladies and gentlemen? You'll never believe what time it is when I say what the time is. It's elimination time, we know. You weren't supposed to know. But yes, you are correct, Fiery. Whoop-de-doo for you, mister. Anyways, the other person who is eliminated is dun 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 dun. Wait, it's me, isn't it? Well, it's been really fun with you guys, you know. Just wish I could stay for longer. And yeah. Well, goodbye, guys. Whoa. Hold on. Huh? You're not eliminated. What? Oh, so I'm safe? Yeah. The person who's actually eliminated is dun. Yeah, if you're going to do a jig like this again, it's not going to be funny. Alright, this isn't a joke. I'm telling you guys, it isn't a joke. Do you want to know what isn't a joke? What? X is eliminated. What? Why am I eliminated? You got the most votes. Simple as. No, but I don't want to be eliminated. For killing us or something. No. Why? Because it's only fair. But I thought you said that you loved me. I did not ever say that. Listen. I only gave you that ice cream that one time because I felt bad for you, not because I loved you. What? I thought you loved me. Well, I don't. End of story. That's it. I'm going to be eliminated. Goodbye, guys. Ah, that hurt. Skill issue. Ah! He's gone. So, who wants to know what the next challenge is? Let me take a wild guess. Is it that thing over there? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Should have put in it more. My bad. And here's how the challenge works. For each pig you manage to knock down, you get 1 point. And if you manage to knock down the one with the moustache, you get 2 points. Wow. Isn't that exciting? Not really. Huh. Anyways, the way you try and do it is chucking this fellow at the building and, yeah, trying to knock it down. Wait, did you say that specifically because of last episode? Because that was somebody who stole your Santa hat? What? No, don't be ridiculous. I totally didn't. I did. Okay. Still a bit mad over that. Oh. Huh. That makes me want to say multiple swear words out loud, but I'm not going to. Anyways, it's time for the Challengerino. Who would like to go first? Me, can I go first, please? Sure thing. Righty, so what seems to be is a little... Does that count as knocking down a pig? Yeah, sure, because I feel bad. So, because you only got 1 point. So please stand over there. Oh! Next up. Oh, yeah, sure, I'll go. Ready, and... Hey! I got all of them, right? Yeah, congratulations. That was honestly a bit impressive. So you just stand over there. Woohoo! And let me rebuild this. Up next, it is your turn for Hey boy, I cannot wait. Let's see how I do. I only got one missed. Please go next to Racer and next to 5 Junior. I should set in between them. Well, who do we decide who's going to be safe? CZ, the person who has the most, who has the highest point. Oh yes, it should be me. Whoa. Easy win. Easy. Yeah, whatever. Hey, come on. How comes I get the sloppiest build one? Oh, I don't know. I mean, come on. The blocks aren't even all even. That one pig up there isn't facing the way as the other. Sorry. And just, a best win because of this. Ha! Well, hey! I got all of them down. Hey, of course I got all of them down. How are we going to decide who's going to be safe? Easy. Another build down. Hey, boy. Come on, don't be so grumpy and selfish and stuff. It'll be fun. Yeah, alright. How bad can it be, I guess? Pretty bad, maybe, but we'll find out. Yeah. So here's what I'm thinking. We have all these pigs and we've got this one up there. And, it's kind of like bowling, I guess. So, yeah. Who would like to go first? Oh, yeah, sure. Let's see how I do. You've got to be kidding me. So we only got two down because they were a little wobbling and stuff. So yeah, let's see how Fiery does with it. Hang on a minute, let me just reassemble these. This is a really bad redraw challenge, you know. Hey sir, hey Shush. I tried my very best, you know. Yeah, your best wasn't really good enough in my opinion. Don't be so rude. It's my turn. Whoa! Think it's safe to say that Fiery did way better. So does that mean I'm safe? Yes. Way! Oh! I should have done that. My back kind of hurts because of that. Ow. Hey guys, look. Mr. Big Fireman hurt his bum. Hey, you hurt your bum. Did he hurt his bum? Yes, he hurt his bum. Well, how do you think? I was on that hurt bum. Hey, you want a hurt bum. And do you have a hurt bum? No, I do not have a hurt bum. You know what? Because of that, and for all of that, I think you deserve a little, But you're not the one who deserves it the most. Piggies, fetch me, grey cuboid person. Okay, we're going to need some more backup. Backup, please. Hello, we're here for backup. And for us, we're right here. Hello, we're the pigs. We're here for backup of capturing the grey cube man. So, where is he? Oh, yes, I see. He's right over here, minding his own business. Just like nothing's going to happen to him. Come on, lads. Let's get him. Come on, boys. Surround him. Quickly. Come on, we got no time to waste. Surround him. As quickly as you can. Come on. You bunch of useless pigs. Surround him already. Sorry, excuse me. You're taking too long. Surround him. I said surround him. Oh yeah, you have surrounded him. My bad. We, the pigs, are going to take our revenge on you trying to kidnap us, and for your own personal enjoyment and for your own competition, which we as the pigs don't like.
Yeah.
So we are going to take over.
Yeah.
We're going to kidnap you.
Yeah.
Then we're going to beat you up. Then nobody's going to save you. Now who's with me? Who wants to smack his bum? Me. Anyone else? Me too. Anybody else? All of us. Now, Mr. Moustache Fellow, forgot your name. We're going to need your help too, by the way. So can you come over here, please? And can you go on top of him? Sure thing. Come on, boys. We've got stuff to do. You idiots dropped me. No, he didn't. The announcer dropped you. My bad. Come here, you bunch of green-bellied I'm advised not to say that word, but it begins with B and A. Now, come on, soldiers. We got stuff to do. Sure thing. Hut, 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 hut. Come on, boys. We need all pigs on standby. All pigs helping. And, he was very heavy. No kidding. It's made out of 100% metal. And metal is heavy. Now, come on. We need to push him a bit more. Really, I'm getting so tired. Do we have to? Yes, we do. It's orders. And if we don't do orders, we will die or something. Now fetch me the beating stick. Sure thing. I got it. I'm going to enjoy this. Ow, 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 ow. You idiots. You're going to regret this. Ready? And laser. Guys, I think there's no laser. Wait, laser. Yeah, this is a laser. Wait. This video's so stupid. I think it's time that we end this video. Yeah, I'd reckon. Anyways, blah, 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 stuff. Bye. Hang a minute. We need to sort out who's eliminated. So yeah, these three are eliminated. Okay, bye. Anyways, I've got to do this pretty quickly because I know the pigs are going to return to try and kidnap me again. So, yeah.
Hey, it's the announcer fellow. Come here.